guitar. We have NEFFEX here, a cool song from NEFFEX, pretty new, called Rise. So, like we usually have with NEFFEX, chords that goes round and round, and to that we have some different melodies we want to hit. So let's start this one up. We need to set our capo high up here on the 6th fret to match up with the sound, to have the easiest chords possible, because we need to use them with this melody which we want to build in, and therefore we need to have easy chord. So let's put our capo here on the 6th fret, and with that we have chord progression A minor, C, D minor, and F through the entire song. So let's look at the chords. First is A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. D minor next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And F, for this one we're going to use this shorter version because it's more handy to use that with the notes we want to hit when we play the melody into the strumming. So that's the reason. So this is third on D, second on G, first B, and first E. And when I use this for just the strumming, I just put a bar here on the 1st fret over these two B and E strings. All right, so that's the chord progression: A minor, C, D minor, and F. So we're gonna look at this song, and if you want, you can just go with plain strumming from the beginning till the end without any notes or melodies or like that. So if you want to do that, I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern. It's very easy. It's down, down, clap, down. Okay, so grab that A minor, and you're gonna play like this for one strumming round. Okay, so it's down, down, clap, down. And with that, you're gonna use 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 A minor, 2 C, 2 D minor, and 2 F will sound like this for one chord progression. But if you want to take this to the next level, we want these melodies. So let's start with the verse melody, we'll call that. So I'm just gonna give you the notes. So it will be, of course, A minor in the beginning here. So you're gonna play down on the bass. So you grab that A minor and play one down. So be sure you hit this open A. Then the next note will be second G, then comes a clap, then first B, and then comes a bass, then third B, and then a clap, and open E. Okay, so that's the A minor part. Slowly, it sounds like this. Okay, and when I strum everything, now I just play the clean notes. When we strum, we will play short strumming downs. We really want to hit this string where the note is, but you can also hit strings around it, up or down, so B or D if you're gonna aim for the G string, for instance. So short down strokes, really make sure you hit the note there. So it could sound something like this. Alright, so I incorporate strings around the actual note I want to hit. Alright, that's the A minor. The C part sounds like this. Yeah, some faults there, but something like this. Hard to make it clean when I showed slowly. But anyway, I'm gonna give you the notes and I'm gonna play it for you later. So this starts in the same way, the bass, this time the third A string, then the second G string, and then a clap, and first B string, then bass, which is the third A, then first E, and a clap, and open E. Okay, so we move on here with the D minor. Okay, so this part goes like this. Okay, so now the bass is the open D, then the second G, and a clap, then first B, then bass, then third B, clap, and open E. So and then we have the final part, the F, sounds like this. So that is bass, now the third D string, then first E, then a clap, then open E, then third D, bass, then third B, clap, and first B. So I'm just gonna play the melody for you now for the first round, and then we go for the strumming. So it's actually easier to play it in a context. So this is pretty much the main part of this Rise song from NEFFEX, but you're gonna play it for 4 rounds. So play it for 4 rounds, and that pretty much covers the verse and the pre-chorus, okay? Because you're gonna play in the same way for the verse and pre-chorus, and then after we gonna rise up and change in the lyrics comes the drop. All right, so the drop consists of 2 different melodies. Actually, you're gonna play 1 round for each melody. So the first melody is this. Of course, based upon the same chords. So the A is open A, and when it's open A, the bass, that means you're just gonna make downstrokes. Now I'm just gonna give you the clean notes, okay? So I'm not gonna give you I'm just gonna let you know where the melody lies, and then it's up to you to hit it in your way. So again, open A, first B, clap, then first B, third B, third B again, clap, and open E. Okay, that's the A minor part. The C part is, so that is third A now, the bass, then first B, then clap, then first B again, then first E, 2 times, then clap, and open E. That's the C part. Now the D minor part sounds like this. Okay, so that is open D as a new bass, then first B, then clap, then first B again, then third B 2 times, and clap, and open E. And that's the D minor, and now I have the final F part left, sounds like this. So that is third D as the new bass, then first B, and clap, then first B again, and then comes this part. This is pull-off technique here, so you're gonna hit the first E, and then you pull off to get the open. So you just hit it once on the first E string. And then you play the first B, then clap, and you end with the first B. Yeah, so that is the melody number 1. You're gonna play for 1 round, and that's the first half of this drop. The next is called melody number 2 when it comes to this drop, you can say, and it's a little bit different. So it goes like this, first part. Okay, so that is the A minor part. You're gonna play open A, the new bass, then first B, clap, then first B again, and then comes this first E to open E with a pull off, and then another open E, then clap. Then you're gonna have this hammer on technique, so you're gonna play the open E and hammer on the first E. Like this. That means you hit the first open E only with your right hand, and your left hand hammer on the first E, if you are a right hand like I am. Okay, so that's the first part like this. Okay, the next part, the C part, sounds like this. Slightly difference there, so it will be the same. So only difference here is the third A string now, the new bass notes. Then first B, clap, first B, and then this first E to pull off to the open E, then another open E, and clap. So everything is pretty much the same till this part, and the last part is. So you play the open E, and then you just hammer on the third B. Sorry. Like this. And that is the C part. Now the D minor part. Okay, so that is open D as a new bass. And everything else is the same as the A minor part. So all the notes for this actual melody will be the same as A minor. So like this. Okay, and then we have the final part, the F sounds like this. So that is third D string as a new bass. Then first B, then clap, then first B again, and then comes this pull off technique here from the first E to open E, and then you're gonna play the first B, and then clap, and you finish off with this pull on hammer on technique, sorry. First B string to third B string. That ends this melody number 2. This one is a little more complex with all its hammer on and pull offs technique. Yeah, I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower so really hear how it sounds. So the first melody goes like this. 2 is like this. Yeah, so it takes a little practice there, but you're gonna play one round for each of these melodies. That makes it for 2 rounds this drop, and from now on everything is pretty much repetition. The second verse will be played in the same way as the first one, so it covers both the verse and the pre-chorus, so it's 4 rounds you can say of this verse play melody. And then you have the drop played in the same way as the drop we just learned. 1 round of each of these 2 melodies here. And then we have this outro part that ends with another 2 rounds of the verse play. And that is pretty much NEFFEX song called Rise. So if you are an NEFFEX fan, which I probably believe you are, I know there are many out there. If you are, please thumb this one up, and I want to see your interest here in NEFFEX, future NEFFEX songs. So give me a thumb up for this one, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, guys, play tuned.